EG5 Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,006.
So hello everybody, it's John from Drones and Planes here again today, and we're back at Manchester Airport, Runway Visitor Park today rather than the old south side, and just coming into view now is the beautiful A380 from Jet2, so let's sit back and enjoy the landing. And it's just starting to rain. Awesome.
Basically stopped.
Just looking down, we have a aircraft which has been leased Jet2 Boeing season. The aircraft operating Jet2 flight 876 from Faro.
So we get to Charlie Bravo behind the landing A330, Papa 1, crossing the
Bumpy bumpy there.
the landing A330 was clear to cross, 2 right, Papa 1 behind, 2 Charlie Bravo.
Yeah. You've got quite a unique livery there, isn't it? So we don't bring you some more unusual type of liveries now and again. A beauty. Always love the A330, I say that quite a lot on this channel. It is a very, very good looking aircraft. Next up we've got the 2E Dreamliner coming all the way from sunny Ibiza. Welcome back to the shit weather of Manchester. Might just hear the A330. It's off camera at the moment, she's taxiing past us here at the Runway Visitor Park. Lovely smell of jet fuel. Hopefully this will get down before the 330 does a quick photo bomb. Look at those wings, the engines, glorious. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Great shot now. We get the 330 going straight across. There we go. Look at that. Brilliant. Still my favourite aircraft. Take shot. Okay, next up, ladies and gentlemen, is the Boeing 757 of Jet2. This plane is around 30 years old. Absolutely amazing. Really real, overpowered. Pilots love them, enthusiasts love them, and the noise they make on takeoff, incredible. Anyway, you can probably hear the Dreamliner to my right as well. 2E Dreamliner, that'll come into shot shortly. Beautiful. Here comes the Dreamliner. gentlemen. No, they won't be affected by the wind. It's straight down the runway today. There's no crosswind. I just chatted to my dad, he's there with me, so the planes weren't getting affected by the wind today. That's because we've got pretty much straight down the runway wind. Just on its take off roll there with a wow noise. There you go, you can hear that. Lovely. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Love it. That's Jet2's latest addition to the fleet, an A321 NEO. And there's one of the old ones, a 757 not NEO. And there she goes, blasting off. Now the latest in Ryanair's economy travel. That's a Boeing 737 road sweeper. They'll get you to Spain in about 3 weeks. You know, we've got the Emirates there just about to cross the runway. It's an hour late. There was a problem with a passenger and their passport. Not sure what the issue was, but suitably delayed the departure by 1 hour. Jet2 Airbus A321 NEO has been parked up here for the best part of 5 or 10 minutes now, waiting for the Emirates to move, I guess, so it can get onto a stand. I'm not sure, but it's been here for a while. Other planes have landed and sort of cut in front of it, and I think there's a Jet2 a bit further down the taxiway as well, but not quite sure what's going on. There's now 3 Emirates departures a day to Dubai, one in the morning, one around about this time, 2 o'clock, and there's one later in the evening around 9 o'clock. This week they've had a 777 doing the morning service and then 2 A380s doing the afternoon and evening service. I'm guessing this guy's not going to hang about since it's so late. I don't know. Anyway, here she goes. And finally, the Jet2 gets to move. It's got to have been waiting for that taxiway to get cleared by the A380, hasn't it? Because that's now departed, so she can now park up on stand somewhere. We've got the 2E767-300, another part of the retro squad. This aircraft is also around about 30 years old. Wide-bodied aircraft. Absolutely awesome. Look at that, having a bit of a wingy there.
Contact tower,
Nice one, son. What a great looking aircraft. Don't care what they're like inside, they look great. This helicopter just flying over the airfield at the moment. is a Ryanair A320, which I know is a little bit unusual, but I'm thinking it's in the Lauda livery, which is a subsidiary of Ryanair. This one's coming from Zagreb. Oh, there we go.
Hi, this landing A325, Papa 1 cross 23 right behind you.
And the range is just about to start.
Papa 1 cross 23 right behind.
It's nice over in the Peak District at the back there, isn't it? Here we've got an Egyptair blasting off down runway 23.
Taxi holding point Tango 1 is 2275. I change the time, make a right turn up in taxi to Victor 5.
And down the trees, oh there she goes. Little Loganair. Start again, shall I? It's a Loganair ATR 72. Blast around in the wind there. Should stop pretty quickly, this thing. What's it? This is quite a weird colour scheme. Very nice. Well, not weird, it's actually very cool. Very colourful. Quite apt for today. I think it's Pride Day. From Sweden. Can't say we're not a dedicated bunch. It's leathering it down with rain, and we're still out here in the Arctic conditions to bring you footage of the Jet2 757 currently on final runway 23 right. My word, that wind just suddenly got up. Nearly blew me off my perch. That would have been funny. Let's just see what goes on here. Very unlikely to go around straight down the runway, but you just never know. Nice one, son. Bit of spray. So this jet is coming in from Northolt. Not sure who's on it. Registrations Golf Romeo Oscar Romeo Echo. Nice. 37 minutes from London to Manchester, if you've got the money. Nice looking plane, isn't it? I am soaked. Anyway, that's me done for the day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the footage. As always, please give me a like or hit that subscribe button. It helps grow the channel. Leave any comments below. And until next time, have a great day. Cheers now.